It was a normal day and the two best friends attended their class on DRR. Okay, class, what is the discussion that we are tackled yesterday? Okay, Rika?
The discussion we tackled yesterday is all about a geological hazard.
Okay, that's right. So the discussion for today is about typhoon and you need to raise your hand and I will question you. A typhoon is a tropical cyclone that develops between 180 and 180 in the northern hemisphere and which produces sustained force wind. Okay, class, what is your idea about typhoon? Okay, Joanna?
A typhoon is a giant rotating storm winds that wind, rain, and destruction.
Okay. Seconds later, earthquake came. Calm down, class, don't panic, drop, cover, and hold. Seconds, the earthquake slowly cover your head from stay away from windows and doors. Dali. Go to an open area from buildings and trees. Stay calm, help others if you are able. Be prepared for aftershock.